Welcome back, dear children. As we have done the purification of colloidal solutions, and in that case, we have covered the two methods to purify the colloidal solutions, that is, dialysis and electrodialysis. In this video, I'll be further continuing with the purification of colloidal solutions only, and in this, I'll be discussing the third method of purification, that is ultrafiltration. So now children, what is ultrafiltration? Ultrafiltration is a process or a method to purify a colloidal solution with the help of specially prepared filters. And those specially prepared filters are having very small pores called thus called ultrafilter paper. Now children, what happens if I am taking an ultrafilter paper to purify a colloidal solution? Then in that children, what will happen? The impurities will be moving out of the ultrafilter paper, and the ultrafilter paper at the end will be having now the colloidal solution, and that too pure, a pure colloidal solution. Now next thing children, how we make an ultrafilter paper? This is the question. So we will be taking a filter paper and we'll be dipping that filter paper or impregnate the filter paper in a colloidal solution. Now what is a colloidal solution? We take 4% solution of nitrocellulose in a mixture of alcohol and ether. So now the filter paper I am going to impregnate in colloidal solution so that the colloidal particles will not be flowing through it and only the impurity will be flowing through it. Now the filter paper, after dipping in colloidal solution, I'll dip it in formaldehyde. After dipping in formaldehyde, I'll finally dry it. When I dip the ultrafilter paper or the filter paper in colloidal solution, and after that in formaldehyde, and after that I dry it, then the filter paper will become hard. Now if I pour the colloidal solution over that ultrafilter paper, what will happen? The colloidal particles will remain over the ultrafilter paper and the impurities will be removed through the small pores which are present on the ultrafilter paper. Now children, this is how we perform the method of ultrafiltration. Now this process is a very slow process, and to speed up the process we apply pressure or suction. Okay, so this is what ultrafiltration is. Thank you all and have a nice day.